Jeep Wrangler is updated for 2024. Let me show you what's new for this year. Now, although the iconic Jeep Wrangler shape remains the same for 2024, we do have an updated 7-slot grille here, as you can see up front. Although you can't make too many changes to an iconic vehicle such as the Wrangler, this grille has been shortened a little bit. It's not as tall as the first bit of the JL model lineup. And of course, you can see we have this kind of graphite colored plastic on the inside. Really nice looking in my opinion. Drop a comment below and let me know, what do you think about this new grille on the 2024 Jeep Wrangler? Now, there are 10 new wheel designs for the 2024 model year Jeep Wrangler. This is the Extreme package, so it gets you our 17-inch B-Lock capable wheels and the 35-inch BF Goodrich AT tires. It looks fantastic, like a proper Jeep should, in my opinion. Of course, we have our black and our silver painted wheels here. And one thing to note, on the 24 model year, there's no more Jeep logo in the center cap. All models have that classic Jeep look logo. Another update for the 24 model year is the removal of our exterior radio antenna on the passenger side. Now, it isn't gone, it has just been moved up here into the front windshield glass. Really slick design that Jeep thought of there. So if you are taking your vehicle on the trail and hitting some branches or any of the like, it won't be getting caught up on your exterior FM AM radio antenna. Nice work. Of course, we also have a new exterior color for 2024. This is Anvil. Now, this isn't the first time it has been offered on a Jeep Wrangler or some other Jeep products, but I'm very happy to announce that it is back for 2024. Let me know what you think about this beautiful color in the comments. There's no changes to the rear of the Jeep Wrangler for this new model year, so how about we hop inside and show you all of the updates in there. All right, and on to one of the most exciting updates for 2024. It's this 12.3-inch Uconnect 5 infotainment system. So as you can see here, it is now in a horizontal configuration compared to the 8.4-inch previous on JL Wrangler. Super snappy, and some of the best features available now: wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Now, with this upgraded infotainment system, being that it's larger and more horizontal, we did change some of the dash design on this model. So our vents have been relocated below the touchscreen system. They look great. They are a more horizontal design. Really like that. Of course, our start-stop switch is right here. Looks a little bit different, but it's pretty similar. And a big update is no longer do we have the red painted dash on this Rubicon model, but we have this perforated soft plastic plus some stitching on there. It looks really good. Taking a look at the steering wheel on this model, it remains pretty much the same. Of course, we have our beautiful red stitching here on the Rubicon. Now, our instrument gauges have remained the same as compared to last year. Now, I have to point this out on the steering wheel here. These buttons for our adaptive cruise control, which is now standard on 2024 Jeep Wrangler, along with forward collision warning. Now, this model isn't equipped with it, but for the first time ever, we do have optional 12-way adjustable power driver's seat available on the 2024 Jeep Wrangler. Finally, Jeep is saying that this is the quietest Wrangler ever for 2024, with thicker acoustic glass and thicker carpet on this model to help drown out some sound while you're driving this down the road. Ooh, and let's also not forget this cool little Easter egg they put here with a Jeep Wrangler and a Jeep Gladiator. So those are some of the great updates on the 2024 Jeep Wrangler. Let me know what you think below, and check us out online, charper.com.